Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to scan saved QR code on Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Android phone. Now to scan the saved QR code, first of all tap on this Google app. If you don't have this, just download from Google Play Store. Now I'll tap on this and over here you can find this camera icon over here. Just tap on this and after that select the QR code you wanna scan. For now, I'll go with this first one and now you can see it's scanning and the result is already over here. This is my Wi-Fi name and password. So in this way we can scan saved QR code on Android phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.